Hello everyone, I want to teach you how to read this micrometer screw gauge, okay? This micrometer screw gauge is used to measure or take the readings of diameter of smaller object or the size it can contain, okay? Mostly smaller object. Now, just like this pen now, if I want to take the diameter of this pen, I'll just fix it here and tight it and turn this side. I will screw here and tie the pen. Then I will take the reading from this place, okay? Now, this micrometer screw gauge has two scales. One of the scales is called fixed scale, which we call sleeve. That scale is called sleeve, okay? Then plus another one called rotating scale, which we call thimble. So now this fixed scale is taken from here, from this place. You can see it from here. The fixed one, which we called the sleeve. Then the rotating one is taken from here, this round one, because it's rotating. Why tighten this? You can see it. The value is collected from there. So the actual reading of this pen, we will now collect the value from the fixed scale and add it together with the rotating scale. That is sleeve and thimble, okay? Now, the question here on board says that we should calculate or take the readings of this micro screw gauge. So this is a rough sketch of this equipment, okay? Now they say that we should find the value of this micrometer screw gauge. Now from here, the micrometer screw gauge is calibrated in millimeter, okay? Millimeter. Now I'm checking it. Here is that fixed scale, the fixed scale. And here is the rotating scale, here. Now, we now check how it is calibrated. This is 0, 0, 0 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So you now stop at the calibration before the rotating scale. Now the reading of the sleeve now will be equals to, we now take the reading of the fixed one, which is sleeve. It is 0, 0 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So it is 3.5 millimeter. Now let us take the one from the rotating scale. Now we will now see how it is calibrated. 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, okay? Now we will now check one of the line of the calibration, the one that coincide with the least straight line from the main scale, which is the sleeve, okay? So by looking at it, we will now see that the next line after 25 is the one that coincide with it. So it is that one we are going to collect, okay? So this is 25, the next one is 26. So the reading of the thimble, which is the rotating one, is 26, 25, 26, okay? But we divide it by 100. Always divide the reading of this rotating scale by 100 before you can now add it to the sleeve scale, okay? So we now divide the 26 by 100. It will now be 0.26. Now the millimeter. The actual reading of this equipment now will now be the actual reading will now be 3.5 millimeter plus 0.26 millimeter. All will give us 3.76 millimeter. This 3.76 millimeter is the actual reading of this equipment. So that is how to read this micro screw gauge from any question given to you or from the equipment itself, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe or follow, like the video, comment on that and share it. Thank you.